Life Ministries, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today, I know most of you are wondering, like, how am I maintaining the raw diet? Like, what am I eating? What am I doing? So I just want to make this little quick video to just show you some of the things that I am doing and how it is going for me. So everything is going the same. I am still doing the same things that I was doing throughout the 21 days. I am doing the juicing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start this so we can move on with the video. So I'm in here, I have some pineapple and I have some more pineapple and cucumber. So we're making a pineapple and cucumber juice. And the main thing for you to maintain simple life is not to overcomplicate things or not to if you are thinking that it is hard to do and it is gonna be expensive and all of those things, then you won't do it. You know, all of these negative things are just gonna take root and fester in your head. But if you want good health and you want to keep on the right track, just eliminate the things that you don't need in your life, the things that you are wasting money on, and try to just focus all that you have on this thing that you know will work and is working for you. So here now I have the juice going, which is always good for you to hydrate your body. Always give your insider it, just like how you shower, you give your, I always say, just like how you shower the outside of your body, you need to shower the inside of your body. So always have some kind of juice, always have your coconut water, your good water. Good water is important. You know, have some charcoal water to drink every now and then. You know, things like that will help you. And let me just try and get this in. And apart from doing the juices, have your green juices too. I know my friend Vivian, I was talking to her and she said, "Why, Lana, the fruits in Canada, they're just not right. We don't have an abundance of fruits like what you would have in Canada. But for what we have out here, but we know that it is right and it is good. So whatever is right and whatever is good where you are, use that. Do the best that you can with it, you know? And so now after we do the juices, we have whatever is available. Most times I start in the fridge, Simple Life. And in the fridge today, I have some more of the walnut meat because I love that. It actually tastes like real meat to me. And I had some carrot and I have some cucumbers. So I go with that. I'm gonna add some more to it. We have some Jamaican pears here, some, or you would say in Canada, some avocado. So we're gonna go ahead and put that. Um, like I said, Simple Life, make the best of what you have. And something I want to talk to you about too, and it's your sauces. It is easy. You want to make a salad, whether it's a fruit salad or a vegetable salad, um, go ahead and make it. Is easy to make that. But what is gonna make it nice and good and interesting for you to eat is the sauces that you're going to have with it. And so what I did, Simple Life, like this is my tomato sauce, which I have some here made up in this jar. I love it. It tastes so good. I write the recipe on my jar. And so when I grab this jar, I know exactly what to take. And I went ahead also, and not just to write the recipe, but I put everything that I'm going to need to make that dressing, and I keep it in the fridge. So when I am ready, I just come, I switch the cover off here, and I put it onto here, Simple Life, and I this part will have to go for it to work. But I switch the cover and I put it in here and I blend it. But the whole point, whether you have this blender or a little bigger blender, or you have the NutriBullet or whatever bullet you have, write out the recipes on the jar. Take out the stuff that you want to make your dressing and put them away. So when you are ready, all you need to do is blend. So that is what is keeping me here. I have the sour cream, and here I have my tomato recipe, and in here I have a recipe for my cashew dressing, which I like to put on my green salad. So for this here now, I am going to put these with with it, and that is it. See right there how lovely it is. It is so I gave the recipe already on the channel, but if you want, you can request it again, and I will go ahead and put it. And that is it there, Simple Life. The green juice and whatever you can find. How beautiful is that? With my pineapple and cucumber drink. Beautiful. And we have some more here to juice. And that's it. So until next time, Simple Life, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing.
Mm.
God bless.
Yeah, man. Keep doing what you're doing.